do? Beat her up with women.
I can stab her. It's not funny, Michael. I'm getting fucking mad.
Dude, it's hella dark out. You'll never find that key.
All night. Try having sex with that. Like that.
Where are those pliers?
I won't be able to get her pants off. Try that little red knife. Nothing's gonna...
No, I just need a piece of metal.
Are you actually mad at me for that?
Yeah, I'm actually mad at you for that. Because that fucking... Look at the shit. It's hurting my fucking foot.
Oh, let me just unlock that for you then.
Oh.
Put it back down.
Stab him.
Oh, you know what? Fucking denied. Denied, dude. Denied. Tell me how wonderful a boyfriend I am. Tell me.
Fuck you!
I want to hear this. This is the last key, Lisa. Alright, say goodbye to the last key.
I love you. You're a good boyfriend.
How wonderful am I?
Awesome.
What do I do for you? Why?
Do everything for you.
I got that all on camera.
Ow!
Fuck you. You're deleting that shit.
Tell me
In my face.
What?
Tell me how wonderful I am.
You're wonderful.
How wonderful.
What if you don't... Please.
You gotta kiss my ass first. Like, seriously.
I got all this on camera.
Kiss it.
No.
You gotta kiss it. Kiss it. Okay, lick it. One of the two. You got it. Come on. Lick my ass. Lick my ass. Do it.
No, I just did.
Alright.
Let go.
I'm telling you to read the word.
Fuck yeah. Now you gotta give him down.
And I can't tell you to...
No, Michael.
Right here, right here. Just kidding.
You are not...
Now you gotta go let him upset.
No, you
Wait,
are
I
not...
should have fucking did
Read that word.
No, I swear to God, if you hit me, we'll be back in these. Except for I'm gonna tie you around something like this.
Oh.
And I'm gonna put gag you and shit.
Look at that. She didn't even care. Just do it. Do it.
No, because that
I'm just kidding.
Don't do it.
It makes me happy hearing you read.
Stop thinking about it.
Can you get it off?
No, do it, Mike, do it. And then give me the ankle buddies. You wanna?
No.
Okay.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I swear to God.
Listen to that! I'm gonna fucking hit you, Michael! It's not funny! That shit really hurts! Look at my fucking ankle, dude!
As soon as she gets free.
Do it. So far. Fuck, you're fucking tall.
I know you.
Do it, Jim. Just do it. Because.
Stop doing it.
What the fuck was that? You ever seen them black people, they be pushing each other like this? Or like this. Ow! My pee-pee! Hey Mike, let me see those for a second. Handcuff me. That's what Lisa had. No, really, handcuff me. I hit the motherfucker so bad.
How about you give me
I handcuffed him because I'm not gay and you're... Don't do it to try it to where it touch my wrist.
Wednesday. We don't drop surprises on the timeline.
I can do that. I didn't believe I could do it.
Yeah, with girl handcuffs.
Let's go, dog. Let's go.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Drunk love on TNT. She doesn't like to be touched. Wednesday at 10.
Come here, Red Door.
No drama.
Hi.
Okay, that's good enough.
Do something. Do something.
Give me my nuts. You better come here.
I better give you.
I bet you I've been in cuffs more than anybody here. I bet you have.
I bet you have it.
Like police handcuffs. I know, dude.
have it.
I bet you I have. I bet you every time I get transferred.
Transferred. I've been in jail.
Oh, that's
I've been
cool.
How many more times have you been to jail?
Woo, Juicy.
One day.
You ain't hit me. I didn't get my nuts. No,
We all have friends. We all have friends. We all have sex. And we've been violating the living report. And there's lots of us. Nobody thinks me so I just like... You mean no part?
Dude, that guy just got kicked in the nuts.
My boyfriend's gonna beat their ass. I'm Lisa.
Humber, do it. Do something. Come on. Do something for YouTube.
Look, he's my arm. Beat my arms, baby.
I can fight anybody now. Let me see those. Let me see those. Let me see those.
Did you really throw that extra? Fuck you.
Hey, watch this. Watch this. I want extra. Excuse me, sir. You're under arrest.
If I not run.
Bitch, please.
Hey,
Back the
Lisa,
fuck up.
do that
Oh my
sharp.
god, you just broke my fucking camera.
Oh my god! Oh, not the camera! What are you doing?
Oh shit.
And you still can beat your ass. I'm gonna give him a wedgie.
Where's the key at?
Get the other one! Get the other one!
Fucking handcuff.
No. Not
Hey, go
me.
get to the... Oh.
No, not me.
Yeah, the refrigerator.
Not me. Don't use it. I don't know what I'm doing.
I almost got. Oh,
Hey!
Step on the cat!
Where's the key at?
Oh.
Oh shit.
I have to say,
Okay, buddy. Really back the fuck off.
Customers always right.
Look outside.
The customer's always right.
I got the key.
Okay, the customer's always right. The customer's always right.
I put that first one on fast.
I'll punch your camera.
I have skills on this.
No, he'll be mad. He'll be mad. He'll be mad.
Stop.
Michael Jim. Dude, I farted.
Let's put it.
Hang over there, seriously. Oh shit! I got those farts. Oh my god! I got those farts. I give me the handcuffs. Mike. Bitch. Where's the handcuffs? That's not key.
You're not getting me.
No, Michael.
Heard my name.
Just get a picture of this. Look at it. Did you see this?
No. Baby, no.
Good.
No. No. Here. No.
Hold the camera straight. Hold her other arm. So hold her other arm. Alright. You grab one, I grab the other.
What the bitch. Ow, my arm, my arm. Oh, no, ow. Hey, that was crazy.
You ain't going nowhere now.
Ow, fuck, that really hurt.
She's gonna drag you around like a little
Ow,
bitch.
Baby, no. At least loosen this. Damn, that hurt.
Alright, I didn't tighten that when I was in. Oh, this does hurt. Shit, cause I can't move up. Oh!
Get off!
I still got the fucking key. Stop. We're gonna make this work. Ow, bitch, I am playing. I'm gonna fuck you up. Oh, what? Stop, it hurts. Oh, get the fuck off. Chill. Do it relaxing. We're gonna live. It's okay.
It's recording.
We're gonna.